Welcome to our comparison of two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker and the COSORI rice cooker 10-cup. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and user experiences to determine which rice cooker is the best choice for you. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is designed for smaller households, making it perfect for individuals or couples. In contrast, the COSORI rice cooker boasts a larger 10-cup capacity, ideal for families or meal prepping. This significant difference in capacity can greatly influence your choice depending on your cooking needs. The Zojirushi rice cooker focuses on basic rice cooking functionality, making it simple and easy to use. On the other hand, the COSORI rice cooker offers 18 different cooking functions, including sautéing and slow cooking, thanks to its fuzzy logic technology. This versatility allows for a wider range of culinary creations, making it a more complex but rewarding option. Price is another important factor to consider. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is priced at $59, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the COSORI rice cooker is priced at $99, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and cooking needs, this could be a deciding factor in your purchase. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker and the COSORI rice cooker have their unique advantages. If you need a compact, straightforward rice cooker, the Zojirushi is a great choice. However, if you require a multifunctional appliance with a larger capacity, the COSORI is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.